front of me is OnePlus Nord CE5, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. Begin by holding your search bar and waiting for Remove Widget pop-up to show up. When it does, click on it and confirm your choice in the second one. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my search bar was successfully deleted. If you want to restore it, you can always do that by pinching your device's display, clicking on widgets between icons and layout, scrolling down to find Google app, hold search bar widget, drag it to the proper place, and when you're ready, let go. Then tap on the home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!